Welcome to today's video. This video is about why you blink so often, something you do over 15,000 times a day without even realizing it. Every blink feels automatic, effortless, and invisible. But behind that tiny motion is an incredible system working non-stop to protect, clean, and refresh one of your most important organs, your eyes. Have you ever wondered why we blink so much, even when nothing's in our eyes? You might think it's just about keeping them moist, but there's much more going on. Picture yourself in the middle of an intense movie scene where you're so absorbed that you hardly realize your eyes are getting dry. Suddenly, a blink brings relief, allowing your eyes to pause and refresh momentarily. Blinking isn't just a physical reflex, it's a perfectly timed moment your brain needs to rest, reset, and even process information. It's like a micro nap for your mind, happening every few seconds. The science of blinking. The average person blinks 15 to 20 times per minute. That means, in 1 hour, you blink about 1,200 times. And in a single day, more than 28,000 blinks. So, what's happening each time those eyelids sweep across your eyes? Each blink spreads a thin layer of tears, called the tear film, across the surface of your eyes. This layer isn't just water, it's a complex mix of oil, mucus, and saline that keeps your eyes hydrated, clean, and protected from dust and bacteria. Without it, your vision would blur within seconds. Blinking also helps remove tiny debris and refresh oxygen to the cornea, which has no blood vessels of its own. In fact, if you try to keep your eyes open for too long, they'll quickly dry out and start to sting, your body's way of forcing you to blink. However, consistently blinking too little can lead to health issues like eye strain, dry eye syndrome, and discomfort, highlighting the importance of our natural blinking reflex. Blinking and the brain. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your brain actually plans your blinks. Studies show that your brain predicts when to blink, often during natural pauses like at the end of a sentence when you're reading or watching a movie. It's almost like your brain knows the best time to take a quick break without missing anything important. When you blink, your brain temporarily tunes out visual information. But instead of perceiving darkness, it fills in the missing image, creating a seamless, continuous experience of the world. It's like your brain's internal editor stitching together tiny gaps into one smooth movie reel. Even more interesting, researchers have discovered that blinking helps the brain reset attention. Every blink is a mini mental recharge that allows your brain to refocus. That's why we blink more often when we're tired, stressed, or deep in thought. Our brain is working overtime and needs those tiny breaks. Why you blink more when you're tired or anxious? You might notice that when you're exhausted, your eyes feel heavier and you blink more often. That's your nervous system trying to conserve energy and lubricate dry eyes. But blinking also connects deeply to emotion. When you're anxious or stressed, you blink faster. When you're relaxed or focused, your blink rate slows down. It's a subtle but powerful window into how your brain and body communicate. Even actors are trained to control their blink rate, blinking less to appear more intense, or blinking more to seem nervous or uncertain. Your blinks reveal more about your emotions than you realize. The perfect reflex machine. Blinking involves one of the body's fastest muscles, the orbicularis oculi. It contracts and relaxes. in less than 1/10 of a second, faster than almost any voluntary movement. You can blink without thinking, a reflex, or on purpose, a voluntary action, showing just how uniquely flexible this small action is. What's even more amazing is that your body coordinates both eyes to blink at the same time, a remarkable feat of muscle and synchronization of the nerve. Fun facts about blinking. Babies blink only about 2 times per minute, while adults blink up to 20 times per minute, likely because newborns' eyes are smaller and better hydrated. Women blink slightly more often than men, possibly due to hormonal differences that affect tear production. For example, hormones like estrogen can enhance the production of tears, making women's eyes more lubricated and potentially leading to a higher blink rate. This subtle difference showcases how our physiology can influence everyday actions. When you're intensely focused, like reading or gaming, your blink rate can drop by half. That's why your eyes feel dry after long screen sessions. To help protect your eyes during these times, try the 20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This simple practice can reduce eye strain and ensure your eyes stay healthy and comfortable. So next time your eyes start to sting during a Netflix binge, it's not the show, it's your brain forgetting to blink. The takeaway: blinking is one of the simplest actions we do, yet it perfectly balances biology, neurology, and psychology. It protects your eyes, regulates your attention, and ensures a seamless vision. It's proof that even the smallest, most automatic motions can hide complex, elegant science beneath them. Every blink is your body's way of saying, pause, refresh, and see clearly again. Stay curious and keep an eye on the world, one blink at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to share your own fun blink facts or questions in the comments. Your participation helps us build a community of curious minds.